So, hello guys. So, di ba dumating na yung vacuum ni Mr. na ino-order. So, ngayon is tulungan ko si Mr. para i-open yung swimming pool. Para malagyan niya ng tubig. Para mapuno siya bukas. Gabi na kasi 6:24 na. And then, 6:24 na. So, nagluto lang ako ng rice. Then, wala din si Sophia dito. Nandun na sa birthday party ng kanyang kaibigan. So, hinatid siya ni Mr. Then, mga 9 daw siya uwi. Mga 9 daw matapos. Ito pala yung ating para sa lamok. Ito yung binigay ni Sis MG sa akin last year pa to. Bait talaga ni Sis MG. So, let's go. Ba.
Good.
O, diba? Malinis ang tubig.
Hot boy here. Hey,
Ayan.
man.
Ayan, may spider. Nawala. Where's the spider, be? Dara. Ayan eh. Umaakin siya, day. Na. Umaakin siya. So guys, sinundo muna ni Mr. si Sophia. Dito tayo po. So hello guys. So sinundo muna ni Mr. si Sophia. 6:30 lang pala. Hanggang 6:30 lang pala yung party. Birthday party. So kailangan niya sunduin. So nagyaw-yaw, nagalit. Ang lapit na aking kamukhaan. So nagalit siya dahil gusto mag-swimming ni Ethan. Ito pala ay para sa lamok. Tanim para sa lamok. Pero hindi tayo pa kanang kagatin ng lamok. So, ayun, nagyaw-yaw. Ano ba nagyaw-yaw? So, nagalit. Let's say nagalit na lang. Nagalit siya. Dahil wala pa kaming driver's license ba. So, hindi pa kami marunong mag-drive. Kung hindi lang talaga ako matakutin, siguro matagal na akong nag-drive. So, kaso parang hindi ko talaga maano yung pagdadrive, guys. Takot talaga ako. Doon siguro tayo sa Dito tayo. Takot talaga ako mag-drive ba. Parang inasahan ko si Sophia na yung marunong mag-drive para siya na lang mag-driver sa amin. Tapos, ayan kasi nga pagod na si Mr. ba. Nagre-reklamo na sa aming na hindi kami marunong mag-drive. Tapos siya lang yung inaasahan dito. So siguro i-wash ko tong i-wash natin to. So, galit na. No, the water is dirty. So si Ethan umiiyak dahil gusto niya mag-swimming, tapos yung tubig is hindi pa malinis, kailangan pa yan siya lagyan ng mga The water is not clean.
Ito siya sa kuan.
I know.
Go!
No ha? No. Mag-swimming na. Maglagot pa still.
Ano man? Hoy, Ethan!
Magkuha mo siya ni Sophia. Bumalik. Parang bumalik siya. Sundo siya ni Sophia sa nagalit. Kailangan na daw namin marunong mag-drive. Nahirapan na siya drive.
Ita!
universal.
Mm.
And which way the water comes in or goes out. So,
Uh-huh. Oh, the water is here.
hot water be coming through here and going down now. Had it coming up, going feeding in, but I ain't
Oh,
gonna do
Ethan.
it.
Sa way.
I'm not gonna do that kind of shit. I'll tell you that.
Yeah. Don't do it na.
Plus this hose here out. Got a bunch of dirt in it.
Duguin ka ba? Watch mo lang.
Really clean considering it's been sitting for a year.
Yeah.
Plus,
Yeah.
you know.
It's clean.
These people. God, it's a piece of shit over there in phone call. Pretty cruddy in there.
Oh.
Try to wash up this end first and then flush it back out.
Buang ka mati. Si Ethan is running at you.
No swimming yet.
Bulok man.
Unsa na mo? Lamok?
Para lamok.
He's swimming in the bathtub right now.
The bathtub daw ma.
Swim in the hot tub eh. He don't like there. He wants the swimming pool.
All right.
What's that for?
Badon. Dito. Sakay na.
See it leaking to you?
I don't know.
Huh?
I didn't
Shit
see.
leaking down there?
Nothing on. What's that one there?
Where? That's where that
The hose.
the big blue hose goes on. Get it out here. Fix that too this year. Put that second tank in. Big line up here. Drain. Straight in and go out to the woods.
No jumping here, ah. No jumping. We're just watching pa.
Stairs mo.
We're just watching. Ayan na guys, open na yung ating swimming pool.
We go that way more or what?
Ha?
We go that way more or is that pretty center?
It's not in the center.
Huh?
More here.
Go that way?
Yeah. Husband trying to move that fountain there to the center. Ay, you didn't hit the
Wait's over here. Ain't it?
that one.
Is that better?
Yeah. That better. So, ayan. So, lagay ko itong citronillas dito para sa lamok. Ha? Ha? Close na. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.